Hey fam, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you how you can make your own simple roast chicken with sweet chili sauce. You are going to love the entire process because it is very easy to make, and all you have to do is to trust the process of making this oven roasted chicken recipe. If you're new to my channel, this is the online cooking channel, and I share easy and amazing cooking recipes, and you can be part of this lovely family by subscribing to this channel. Now I'll proceed to clean my chicken. The reason why I love to do this is because I get the chance to scrape off the gooey stuff from my chicken, as can be seen in the video. Also, I like to do this because I get to remove the dead skin from the chicken, as you can see me do right now, and this gives me the confidence that I am eating good delicious chicken that has been properly cleaned. I'd like you to take a look at the first water after the first cleaning and compare this to the water after the second cleaning. Now you would see that the difference is very clear, and this is the reason why I would always advocate cleaning chicken before cooking. As I proceed with this video, I like to say one thing, that in this recipe, I'll be sharing with you a very easy and straightforward sweet chili chicken recipe, which is so nice and delicious. After cleaning the second time, I'll proceed to cut the chicken lightly on different sides or on various sides. This is because I'd like to give the sweet chili sauce that I will be making much later enough room to penetrate and marinate and get into the chicken drumsticks for delicious taste. Now it's time to make my signature sweet chili chicken sauce. I'll put half cup of store-bought sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice into the bowl, and then I'll mix everything up properly with the chicken. As I mix, I like to say this: you can substitute the ginger powder for ginger paste. Also, you can substitute the lime juice for lemon juice. It depends on what you have. Now I'll proceed to crush 1 stock cube into the bowl. Many people call this seasoning cube, other people call it bouillon cube, and there are people like me who call it stock cube. I'll mix it in, and now I think it's time for me to add more salt. So I'll be adding half teaspoon salt again for delicious taste. Okay, like I said, all you need to do is to trust the process, and you will definitely love the outcome. After giving everything in a very good mix, I'll put the chicken and the sauce and everything into my Ziploc bag, and this is the part that I would leave the chicken for proper marination. So after I put everything into the Ziploc bag, I'll close the bag and I'll put my Ziploc bag in my fridge for 12 hours to enable the chicken and the sauce I just made to properly marinate for delicious taste. Well, it's time for me to do a little bit of cleanup before I proceed with the concluding part of this video, which will be the roasting part and some tips and tricks that I'd love to share with you in that part. Okay, now I'm just cleaning the Ziploc bag just to ensure that there is no mess on it, and it's time to refrigerate for 12 hours. Hi, so this is after 12 hours. I'll put my marinated chicken into a bowl, and this is what it looks like, and it's time to prepare everything for roasting. On this rack, I'll be arranging my chicken, but before I do that, I'll proceed to lightly coat the oven rack with some cooking oil. I like to do this because it just helps me turn the chicken easily without having the chicken stuck on the oven rack, and that's why I just like to do this. It makes cooking easier for me, and I think you should try it as well. So after lightly glazing the oven rack with some cooking oil, I'll proceed to arrange the chicken on the rack and get everything ready for roasting. Remember, as I said earlier, this is an oven roasted chicken recipe to show you how to make roasted chicken in the oven, but not just anyhow chicken recipe. This gives delicious outcome every single time. So I'll put it in my oven. I have this little mini oven that I bought recently. I'll put it in my oven, and then I'll roast for 20 minutes on 180 degrees. After 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. Let me show you. It's not done yet, but we're almost there, and I'm happy. I'm really happy for the result. So this is what it looks like, almost done, and it's already looking so enticing and delicious. I'll proceed to turn to the other side to get the other side well roasted as well. Okay, so I said I was going to share with you one tip that I use to make sure that my chicken tastes nice and is so succulent. I'm almost at that point. Okay, so but before I roast again, I'll clean my oven door just a little bit to get rid of, and now I'll be roasting for 180 for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let me show you what I have. This is coming together nicely, and I think you should try it. So this is what I have now. My chicken is looking so nice and delicious, and this is my personal trick that I like to, or tip for making my chicken succulent. I'll proceed to lightly coat the chicken with some cooking oil. It just helps me get that succulent taste when I bite into it, especially when it is warm. Oh my goodness, it is delicious, it is lovely. And as a foodie that I am, I love to enjoy good food. So I'll put it back in the oven, but this time for just 2 minutes. And here I have my roasted chicken. This is the roasted chicken looking so delicious and amazing. And I have to tell you something. When I showed this recipe to someone, he said, "Oh my goodness, you just made the kind of chicken I would call marry me chicken." And I just had to laugh. But then, jokes aside, this chicken is very delicious. It is nice, and I really think you should try it. Until I post my next video, have a lovely time. Bye.